Hey guys, how you doing? Sam with Sam's Speed Shop here, heading over to grab a part. Let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about what these videos are going to be about. I don't expect this one to be anything special due to the fact that, it's the first vlog, and I'm doing it on my iPhone right now since I normally use the gram. So, update on the truck. I'm replacing the steering wheel because the one I had originally was wobbly. So I finally decided, bite the bullet, buy like a $100 steering wheel that's all wood and nice and everything, and went ahead and bought one of those yesterday. I actually had to go through two separate ones because I didn't like the ones. I returned that one, and they're ordering another one which shows up tomorrow, so this video will be a part tomorrow too, but it'll be all in one video. The adapter, no one carried it, freaking Ford, so I had to order that with O'Reilly's, and that is going to be, I just got here today. They called me on the phone. So I'm heading over to, Seal Beach. I'm in Huntington right now. So I'm heading over there to grab it at the O'Reilly's in that area because that's where I ordered it. Because I was over there yesterday and I do a lot of the work over there. So I'm going to head over and get that. And then the next part of the video will be the new wheel and what it looks like and the interior. I just recently redid the interior on the truck too. So it's looking really nice and shiny clean. I'm going to be posting some stuff about some cars, obviously because it's a car channel, and projects on the truck. Comment in the comment section what you want to see. I'm thinking about interviewing some people with cool cars too, doing like an owner interview and a story behind it, kind of like Drive did originally. And I'll see you in O'Reilly's. Alright, what do you guys think of these right here? You liking those? You liking that Camaro? I don't know, I think it looks a little tad weird to me. I think the nose of those, it's like, whoop. It's like the car's like smiling, but it's a chick because the eyes are like all squinty and precise. That's what it reminds me of. Gracious, it's windy today. Look at those trees blowing. I hope those ships on the horizon, I hope they're all full of car parts. And I hope they're all full of turbos and superchargers. And that they're shipping it over to China because they make better shit. I had a part that I got shipped in this morning. It was one of these, except the other model of that, and I was going to swap that out and pay the difference. Alright, so they're getting the part right now. Now it's time to wait. Alright, so I got the part, and I'm heading over to go install it. See if this one fits. Oh, look who it is. It's on. How are you? How are you? Silly dog, come on, let's go to the garage. Alright. Gotta get this thing up. Ah! Poop. And that's how beat up the old steering wheel was. My goodness. And bingo! Alright, now tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and get the steering wheel from AutoZone, ship that in from their catalog, and you'll see that next. Go, Autumn. Bye. Bye. You can talk. Alright, you salty bitch, I'm gonna take your top off now. Oh, look at that. Have you been cheating on me? Are you a whore? Just came right off. Your bra was already unhooked. Shit. Nip slip. Dun, 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 dun. Alright guys, so while I'm waiting for the parts come, because I'm still waiting on it, I am going to be cleaning out some dust. And I shall show you how bad it is. It's all metal shavings. If you can see that. This just magically appeared. Guys, so this fucking blows. Looks like my back brakes are leaking. You can see right there. You can see on the inside of the drum they're leaking. So that might be the next video. We'll see. Ooh, nice. This is the new wheel. Tell him, Vince.
It's a new wheel.
Tell him.
It's gonna look nice.
It is?
I guess.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
These are very nice.
This is my favorite wheel. My favorite. Peace out, Vince.
Alright,
See you later, guys. Have a good day. Time to go put the steering wheel on. This thing is really cool, guys. It's got like even the knots in the wood. It's got little finger things right there. This thing looks worn. It's gonna match the bed perfectly. I'm super stoked. This thing's badass. Alright guys, so I had to take a break. I had to go to the bathroom. But while I'm sitting here on the toilet, I'm literally going to pretend that I'm driving a race car while I'm pooping. Alright, now that now that I'm done in there, let's put this wheel on. This thing's gonna look damn sexy. It's gonna look so good. Alright. Do I believe it? I don't know. Alright. Like that? Just spawned a freaking knife, dog. So, hashtag gangsta, bruh. Turns out the knife isn't working. Swap it out for something better. These are for 10, but they work great for everything, so. Snip, snip. Gotta snip, snip, snip. That reminds me about vasectomies. What is it when guys get a certain age? Why do their wives want to get them to get vasectomies? What's the point? Is it just so they can do it more? Because what if the wife's going through menopause? Why does the husband need to get a vasectomy for? Like, what's the whole deal? Or should just mother poop? Or it's just she just want to have some sort of like, you know, control over him, and turns her on that she snipped his way of making children. What's the deal with that? I have wondered that. Number two. Oh! Okay, kids, it's not a good idea to hold a camera while you're doing that, or else you scrape yourself up. But hey, look, we got it, so we're fine. These are like little black nipples. Nip slip. Oh, triple nipple. That's gross. That is gross. That's actually a thing, though. People do have 3 nipples sometimes. One in like a 12 people, or it's some like really low number like that. Actually, legit has a 3rd nipple. I don't know. It's like a more common number than you would think. I don't know if it's exactly 12 or not. Okay. Aha! Oh, and there's directions. Would you look at that? Would you just look at it? Okay. Oh. Oh my gosh. That looks sexy. I am aroused. Got the cover over it now. Nice. Alright guys, it's fully on. It wasn't going on this button here because of the, I didn't have the horn button the right way. But now I did it. The horn's obviously not hooked up because I can't hear it over the exhaust anyway, so maybe one day I'll hook it up. There's kind of hear it in there. There's still some wires in there rubbing around, but I won't be able to hear that when the engine's on, so this feels honestly really, really good. It looks great, especially because it matches, well, you can't really see it right now, but it matches the wood. And it just overall looks a lot better than the other one that I had. Take this junk out of the truck here. Almost said junk out of the trunk. All right, anyways, I'm gonna take that out and I'll show you how it looks. All right guys, here's how it looks. Alright guys, well, we're going to take it on a test drive. Gotta take it on a nice little cruise. And we'll see how it works. Racing doors. let this baby warm up. All right, feels nice. Heck yeah, dude. All right. Man, this thing feels 10 times better. It's badass, dude. Pop, pop, pop. Might need to readjust the wheel. It's a little... That's fine. It barely turns right. Doesn't look bad. However, I do need to probably paint this whole thing black right here to match this. And then I think it's gonna look really, really good. And I'll go ahead and post a picture on the gram. If you follow me there, it's at Sam's_speed_shop, Sam's Speed Shop. You'll see the side of the truck on the thumbnail. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you want to watch more, please give it a thumbs up so I know you liked it. And next video is going to be on restaining the bed and recurving the distributor the old-fashioned way. So that ought to be fun. Anyways, you guys have an amazing day. Hope you see lots of cool cars. Peace. Just about to go inside. Look at this thing.